Hey up, we've got something a bit different this time. We're going to be doing a review on the Hawker Tempest Mark 5. Thing is, this kit is what you get free if you subscribe to Airfix Model World. Now, there's quite a few different variants that you can subscribe with, and to get the kit you start at, I think it's £36.99, and that's a direct debit every year, goes out. Now you're looking at a kit that's going to cost you about 12 quid to buy separately. Each magazine is £5.49, so in reality 36 quid you're getting one heck of a bargain. You're getting a kit, 12 magazines, and these are not skimpy mags. I mean, this is a big mag version because there's a special in it for the Airfix aircraft, that one. But it's good. I like my magazines. I'm old school. In fact, there's another one I get here. This one's a really quality magazine. But if you're wanting news on everything modelling, you can't beat this magazine. It's a fantastic mag. I'd advise anybody, if this is in the news agents or whatever and they see it and they've never read it before, for what it costs, price of like a pint and a half of beer, just buy one, try it. It's brilliant. It's a good mag. But like I say, I'm old school. I like to sit at night and just read something when there's no TV. It's good. Anyway, let's get on with the kit. First off, we'll do box art on that. Love a little bit of box art. Supposed to be German fighters being shot down. There's Hawker Tempest, and I believe the what they were used for D-Day landings to designate for which is our aircraft, so that obviously they were easily spotted for our own ships and stuff, and they won't be shot at by the troops. Bit of warnings, Hornby models to explain. It does explain their model design and tooling 2021, decal schemes and pack 2021. We are on the new cartograph decals as well. Same on the side, and on the back we have got two schemes. We've got the one that would have been used for D-Day, and we've got another one that's not got the D-Day markings. One flying hour, skill level 2. There's your glues, your paints, it says that you'll possibly need. A little bit about the aircraft, 72 pieces. It is length of 144mm, 174mm in width. Right, let's have a look, see what you get. Ooh, I got my finger here. We've got a bag of sprues, instructions, and an empty box. So first off, we'll do the instructions. I'm going to do them quick. Most people are not interested in instructions. You want to see what the kit's like. So, explanation, specs about the aircraft, and we've got the first. Looks like, as usual, you're building your seat, your cockpits, details, putting together, explaining about drilling through there. I presume it's for if you want to stand. They usually allow you space for a stand if you want to use one. Explaining here which type you want. As you can see, oops, you can't now, but now you can. You've got this one which is undercarriage up, undercarriage down, so it's telling you whether to fit them or not there. And just more and more details about the build. I'm shooting through these because of, I don't think you need to see every tiny bit. There is 39 build stages. There's the aircraft there with the black and white markings, and we'll flick over for the other one which doesn't have those markings but still looks absolutely beautiful. Right, instructions done. Decals. That's it, that way. Sorry about that, that's my phone. Right, lovely crisp decals, very faint as cartographs are. They're fantastic. You can't knock these cartograph decals. Can be a bit thin, got to be a bit careful when you're applying them. And another one, if you use Mr. Mark softener or like that, or any to make them really super soft, be careful, it can chew them up a bit if you put it on a bit too early. Right, we will do, hopefully, there you go, you can see the instrument panel there, and as we go along, these are very, very nice decals. There you go. Put that to one side. Let's get into the bag. So you've got your light grey plastic, which it don't make any colour anyway, what colour plastic it is, but clear parts. And we'll start with this one. This is Sprue D, and it looks like it's got your engine exhausts, your propeller, yeah, that is obviously your undercarriage doors, but yeah, crisp, no flash, lovely, feels like nice plastic. The actual, lovely, it's really nice feeling plastic. No again flash. Even the seat there, I know it's going to be hard for you to see, but there's even the seat market with like the pattern for the seat in it already. Looks nice, that looks really nice. Yeah, that's good detail, that. And as we can see, for inside the actual cockpit, quite a bit there on both sides, and even for the bottom where your rear wheel is, which you don't usually get that, in all honesty. So that's nice little cutting add-on. And we've gotten flat tyres. Well, not flat tyres, but tyres that are under white. There you go. And that's always good. I don't understand why more don't do it, but yeah, that's nice, that. And you've got on this one here, you've even got manufacturer, if you can see it, like a manufacturer's name in the tyre itself. Beautiful, lovely detail underneath, lovely. Can't knock that Sprue B and Sprue. Are we on A? Oh no, that's C. Other one must have been A. Right, internal for the undercarriage looks lovely. Believe they're your guns, and last but not least, a pilot. They don't look too bad actually. Probably one of Airfix's better ones, as you can see. And there you go. And like I say, you get all of that when you subscribe to the Model World. Now, there's various levels of subscription. You can pay for one that allows you online, but you don't get the kit. You can pay for one that allows you online and the magazine, and you usually get the kit. But you would have to check your subscription before you say yes, because they don't all give it. It comes from a company called Key Publishing, which is, I'll just show you here, which is here, Key Publishing. Oh, there you go. And you'll get, that's your letter confirmation, and the actual kit comes from them as well. But hopefully it'll make your mind up whether you'd like to have a look at one of these magazines, but also to get the kit even if you've not wanted to get it free with that, but buy it separately. It's definitely a kit worth buying on its own, in all honesty. But it's always a nicer feeling when you get something for free. Well, as they say, you're paying for everything these days, but yeah, lovely. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be grateful for all subscriptions. Trying to get to 1,000. We're within having the channel open for a year. It'd be nice if I can. But thanks a lot. We'll catch you around later. Cheers.